The Curricular Practical Training CPT Workshop. In this presentation, we will cover what is CPT, types of CPT, eligibility for CPT, what is required in a CPT application, CPT start and end dates, CPT and on-campus employment, how long it takes for a CPT application to be reviewed and approved, the difference between CPT and OPT, as well as other reminders. What is CPT? CPT stands for Curricular Practical Training, and it is a type of curriculum-based off-campus employment authorization available to eligible F1 students. U.S. government regulations state that a student may participate in a curricular practical training program that is an integral part of an established curriculum and directly related to the student's major area of study. Types of CPT. Part-time CPT allows a maximum of 20 hours per week of the approved off-campus employment. Full-time CPT allows for over 20 hours per week of the approved off-campus employment. CPT is usually part-time during the fall and spring semesters and can be full-time during the summer. Full-time CPT may be approved during a fall or spring semester for students in their last semesters who are approved for less than full-time enrollment or students in dissertator status. Eligibility for CPT. In order to be eligible, students have to have an active F1 status, have been a full-time student for at least one academic year, one fall and one spring semester, immediately prior to the CPT authorization. Be enrolled in an academic level program. Students in English language training programs are not eligible for CPT. Be enrolled in a course requiring the CPT work experience for the duration of the CPT authorization. Note, transfer students or students who had studied in the U.S. on a different type of visa should contact ISSS to determine when they will be eligible for CPT. Requirements for the CPT application. Enrollment in a class that demonstrates the employment opportunity is part of the curriculum. Approvable courses include internship, independent study, co-op, thesis or dissertation, or other courses that require a hands-on experience for all students enrolled in the course. A copy of the job offer letter that provides the information needed for CPT authorization. The offer letter should include the name of the company or organization, physical address of the employment, start and end dates of the employment, and the number of work hours per week. An electronic approver form completed by the academic faculty advisor, the instructor of the CPT course, or program director or placement coordinator. Students need to work with their department to determine the correct person to complete the approver form. CPT start date and end date. CPT authorization is reviewed and approved semester by semester. Students must submit a new CPT application each semester if their CPT experience spans more than one semester. If possible, CPT start and end dates should closely align with the semester start and end dates. CPT and on-campus employment. CPT is curriculum-based off-campus employment authorization. CPT does not affect F1 visa allowances of on-campus employment, 20 hours per week while school is in session and more than 20 hours per week during school breaks. Departments or graduate assistant supervisors may have additional rules limiting the total hours students can work each week. How to apply for CPT. First, meet with your academic advisor, faculty advisor, or your school or college's career planning counselor to discuss course enrollment opportunities. Next, enroll in the required class in PAUSE. Secure a CPT eligible job offer letter and submit the CPT request in the ISSS Connect portal. Comparing and contrasting CPT and OPT. CPT is available before program completion, while post-completion OPT is available to students who have completed their program. CPT approval is granted by a UWM CPT committee, while post-completion OPT must be adjudicated and granted by USCIS. Part-time CPT does not affect eligibility for OPT. Full-time CPT, however, of 1 year or more causes students to be ineligible for post-completion OPT. This concludes our CPT presentation. Thank you for watching it, and if you have any questions or concerns, you are always welcome to make an appointment with an immigration coordinator by calling the CIE front desk. Thank you.